I am MD Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher, IT Bor High School, Chowgatha, Jashore. Today we will able to discuss about narration. Narration narration has two parts. One, reporting भाग reported speech. Reported speech. Reported speech. Narration two kinds. One, direct narration, indirect narration. Dear student, you will able to appropriate answer when I discuss about narration and you will able to answer. How can we sense direct to indirect narration? If reporting भाग is present in the right tense, present perfect tense, or future indefinite tense. Reporting speech will no sense. Next student, it will helpful to you to transformation of sentences. But if the reported speech reporting verb, if the reporting verb with past indefinite tense it will be tense. it will be sense. For example, sense. For example, he said to me, I am happy. Now we can sense this indirect speech. He told me that he was happy. Next student, you will able to understand this sentence reporting verb. He said to be, it is past inheritance. For this, I am happy. Reported this speech is present inheritance. When I sensed this sentence, indirect speech, he told me it is past inheritance and conjunction that he was. I also sense person. Reporting verb subject he and reported this speech subject I, same person. For this it sense he, it is past inheritance. Reported this speech past inheritance, reporting verb past inheritance, so reported this speech past inheritance. We also describe if the reporting verb past inheritance, if the reporting verb past inheritance, when we sense, we will able to sense indirect speech, it will also sense past inheritance. You will able to understand next time. I also example you another things. I also describe if the sentence will present imperfect, present perfect tense or future imperfect tense, no sentence will sense, just sense person. For example, he says to me, I am happy. He tells me that he is happy. Yes, student, you also understand reporting verb is present inheritance and reported tense is also present inheritance. For this sentence will not sense. It is same sentence. Next, we discussed about reported tense and reporting verb. When this sentence out of inverted comma, it is reporting verb, and when this sentence will inverted inside of inverted comma, it is reported speech. Say we can appropriate answer. It is reporting verb and this sentence reported speech. We can understand this sentence. It is reporting verb and it is reported speech. When we will able to sense this sentence indirect, it will sense only person, as this sentence is reporting verb is present inheritance, reported speech is present inheritance. For this sentence will not sense. Next time we will able to understand another thing. If reporting verb has also change. How can we change this sentence? If we are discussed about structure, subject plus verb plus object plus that plus reported speech subject plus verb plus others. For example, he says to me, he is eating rice. He tells me that he is eating rice. Next student, next we discussed about tense. You will able to understand when I discussed about tense. If the reporting verb past indefinite tense, the reported tense will change past indefinite tense. Dear student, attention please. Tense. Direct speech and indirect speech. Present indefinite tense, indefinite tense, past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, past perfect tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. Dear student, you will able to understand if this sentence will future indefinite tense, it will change future in the past tense. If this sentence will future indefinite tense, it will change could, should, could. If this sentence will future indefinite tense, it will change future in the past tense. Shall, should, will, would, can, would, may, might, must, had to, would be, should be. No sense here. Should be, should be, should be, should be. I did the rules. There, student, you will able to understand next session. Next student, for example, Rohit said to me, I shall help you. Hey student, you look at the whiteboard. It is a direct speech. Now I change it indirect speech. Rohim told me that he could Dear student, now I discussed about how can we sense person. Here is me and reporting verb, object me and reported species object you, same person. For this, Rohim told me that he would help me. Dear students, we also discussed another thing. Dear student, we can discuss other things. If this direct speech has this indirect speech, indirect speech, this, that, today, that day, yesterday, day, previous day. Previous day. Tomorrow, the next day, oblique, the following day. Following day. Just then, you will able to understand this sentence is direct speech. And when we sense this sentence indirect, this will be that, today will be that day, yesterday will be previous day, tomorrow will be the next day or the following day. We also able to understand another thing, and we will able to right answer. If reporting verb has object, we also sense it, tells or told. If reporting verb has object, it will sense. When we sense, will sense it, it indirect speech. Direct speech indirect speech. Indirect speech. Say, tell, say, told. Dear student, we also discussed about another thing. We will able to understand 5 kinds of sentence with sense in narration. 5 kinds of sentence. Now we discussed about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamative sentence. Every kind of sentence has participant rules, and we also able to understand. We also able to learn how can we sense direct to indirect. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. For example, he said to me, I am eating rice. This sentence reporting verb, it is reported speech. How can we sense this sentence indirect? Look at the below whiteboard. He told me that he was eating rice. Dear student, you also understand this sentence reporting verb is past indefinite tense, reported speech is present indefinite continuous tense. For this, it will sense. I also sensed it past continuous tense. It is present continuous tense, and when I sense it indirect speech, it sense past continuous tense. It is the rules. If reporting verb with past indefinite tense, reporting verb with past indefinite tense, and reported speech present indefinite tense, present continuous, present perfect tense, or future indefinite tense. When we sense it indirect speech, it will sense past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. If this sentence will past indefinite tense, it will sense past indefinite tense. If this sentence will past continuous tense, it will be sense past perfect continuous tense. If this sentence will future indefinite tense, it will sense would, should, could, might. Dear student, you will also see that we also sense it sense told report plus reporting verb object conjunction that plus reported speech subject plus past continuous tense was plus verb plus ing plus object. Dear student, next we also discussed about interrogative sentence. You'll be understand about how can we sense indirect increasing past. How can we sense interrogative sentence? Next student, if this reporting verb past indefinite tense, how can we sense this sentence indirect speech? Next student, look at the whiteboard. Assertive sentence will also sense if and and added conjunction that. Now we sense if oblique whether, if or whether. For example, he said to me, do you utilize? That's then you will able to understand. We sense it. He asked me. I also discussed it. Reported this subject he said to class object B. When we sense it, interrogative sentence, said to sense, asked or asked. We also sense it, subject plus, said to sense, asked plus reporting verb object plus if oblique or whether plus reported it subject. You also know that every kinds of sentence, when we sense indirect speech, if it will must sense assertive sentence. For this, he said to me, do you utilize? It is the interrogative sentence. When I sense it, indirect speech, he asked me if I attach. It is the assertive sentence. It is the rules. Every kinds of sentence, when we sense indirect speech, it will assertive sentence. Next then, attention please. Now I discussed about WS. If this interrogative sentence has WS, we cannot sense if oblique whether. Just WS will setting this indirect speech. Next then, for example, he said to me, what do you want? I also sense it, indirect speech. He asked me what I wanted. It is the assertive sentence and past intelligence. Reporting verb is past intelligence. For this sentence, when I sense it, it is past intelligence. Next then, I also discussed about imperative sentence. Every kinds of sentence has another rules, and we will able to understand. If imperative sentence, it will sense if this sentence will imperative sentence, it will sense indirect speech. For example, For example, he said to me, do the sum. It is imperative sentence. He advised he advised me to do the sum. Dear students, when we sense assertive sentence, we connected conjunction that when we sense interrogative sentence, we connected if oblique, if or whether, and if this sentence double is no sense. But now we discussed about imperative sentence. Infinitive to, we added infinitive to. He advised me to do the sum. Reporting verb subject plus object plus infinitive to plus reported is verb plus others. Dear student, now we discussed about operative sentence. Now we discuss about operative sentence. For example, he said to me, may you be happy. May you be happy. May you be happy. Now I sense the indirect speech. If they eat that I might be happy. Dear student, we will able to understand explanatory sentence. How can we sense this sentence in direct speech? Dear student, attention please. For example, Rohit said to me, we have won the game. Student is will able to understand when I sense indirect speech. Rohit is flying Rohit is flying with joy that they had won the game. That's then when we discussed about exclamatory sentence. It says exclaim with joy. If this sentence will sorrow, if this sentence will unhappiness, it will sense sorrow. If this sentence will happiness, it will sense with joy. Dear student, for this sentence I also give example. Rohit said to me, we have won the game. It is present perfect tense, but the reported reporting verb is past infinite. For this, Rohit is climb. Rohit is climb. Is climb with joy that they had won the game. It is past perfect tense. Dear students, I expect you will able to understand narration very clearly. Thank you very much.